Here is a question. It asks like this. Let's read the question. A diatomic molecule has atoms of masses m1 and m2. The potential energy of the molecule for the interatomic separation R is given by, this is the function given, V is equal to, as a function of R, is equal to minus A plus B R minus R naught का square, where R naught is the equilibrium separation and A and B are positive constant. A and B are positive constant. The atoms are compressed towards each other from their equilibrium position and release. What is the vibrational frequency of the molecule? What is the vibrational frequency of the molecule? It is saying that there are two molecules are there like this. They are atomic separation. Suppose you can consider the spring like this also. And you just push it and release this, and their potential energy function V is given like this. Potential energy is given like this. The potential energy system is given like this, where R naught is the equilibrium separation. Let's see. So this is being given as the potential energy function, and we know that for any conservative force, that force is equal to minus del U by del R. So from this differentiating, we can get that force is equal to minus B 2B into R minus R naught. And comparing this with our standard equation, F is equal to minus K R minus R naught form, we obtain that this K is nothing but equal to 2B. So we can write from this equation, we got that K, the force constant, is nothing but 2B has been obtained. So we have obtained the equations like this. I can write acceleration is the double differentiation of the change in position vector. So I can write d r1 d square r1 by dt square is equal to minus 2p by m1 into r minus r naught. So here we got two quantities. One is r1 that I will discuss, that this is r1, this is r. They are not the same thing. R is the distance separating the two particles, and r1 is the position vector of any one particle there. So we need to find a relation between them. Let's see from their positions of at any instant. It is here. One particle is at m1 is at a distance r1 from some origin, and this is at a distance r2 from the origin, and the distance separation between is r. Okay, so we have the relation that r1 plus r2, I can write here is r1 plus r2, r1 plus r2 is equal to r, and r1 by r2 is equal to m2 by m1. So from this we can calculate that r is equal to m1 plus m2 by m2 into r1. So if we take this value of r, taking this value of r and substituting in these equations, we get d square r1 by dt square. So d square r1 by dt square is equal to this r value to be substituted, and you got the minus 2b m1 plus m2 by m1 m2 into r, plus this we substitute this plus a something will be a constant quantity c will be coming. So see that right now this double differentiation of r1 right now is proportional to double differentiation of r1 is proportional to r1, then this proportionality constant will be calling as this proportionality constant we call as the omega square. This is our omega square. So we can write this as, so we can write omega square is equal to 2b m1 plus m2 by m1 m2, and from this we can get the omega is equal to square root of 2b m1 plus m2 by m1 m2, and we can calculate the frequency is equal to 1 by 2 pi under square root of 2b into m1 plus m2 by m1 m2. So this is our answers, and we see this quantity is called H. We can write this quantity as the mu. Mu is the reduced mass system. Mu is equal to, we know, m1 m2 by m1 plus m2, and accordingly we can write this also H. F is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root of 2b by mu. This is my answers that I can find out. So if the potential energy function, the way it is given, that function will take, then the frequency with which the particles will be oscillating is this one.